Hello everyone, welcome back, and this is Naveen from UiBrains. So here now we have finished the upload functionality. So let's start with another event, sorry, another router. So get all the free events. How many free events you have? Two free events and two pro events. So you want to get them. So let's make the functionality. So no fields to check is completely a public request. No token verification, no form validation. Just get data. So simply let's say let's events of type I event array or null, okay, is equal to await event table dot find one, and you provide the id, you provide the condition, right? What type of condition you provide is, if you're looking for free events, based on what you get data is type. See here the type. So type is free, type is pro, depend on the type. So let's verify using type is free. Okay, you got all the free events. And it's not find one, just find all all the find. Okay, based on the condition you get all the find one, means one will come, only first one, all free events. So just a finder. Okay, so if there is no event, then you can say no event found. If no events, then I say response dot status of 400 bad request, say dot json. I will respond with errors will be an array in that an object message. They say like no events found. Okay, if not, you can send a response. They say return statement is forgot. Yep. So if events found, you can send it. How did you send? Responder status 200, everything fine, and the say events will be the events. That's all. Okay, so fine. Okay, so you're done with this. Slash free is a public request, so you get the events. If not, you get the error. If, otherwise, you get the two events. We have two free events. So let me check from server up and running. Yep, server is up and running, and this is previous error while doing the source code. While doing programming, it will restart. Now that's one. Okay, so now freshly up and running. Go to free events and nothing to send. Click on send. See, you got events. One is UiBrains free class, React Online class free. That's all. Okay, and that's it. In the next video, let's start with a pro event. Thank you so much.